All right, take two. We've got some boxes here. We're gonna do an unboxing for some products that we ordered from Driven Fab. We've waited patiently for, and we're kind of excited to see what we got. I've always seen great quality from these guys. This car that came to me and this customer was really distraught. So many different hands had been in this car. So we spent many man hours undoing and redoing a lot that was in there. The ideas were great, the execution not so much. So, but we got some new goodies for it. Let's see if we can put everything out on the bench and make this customer super happy today and know that his project is picking back up where we left off. And let's see if I can figure out how to turn the camera without stopping the video.